Now that you've spent the last few weeks cleaning out your body from all those toxins that have built up over the years, it's time to start building your body back up. Nutrients are the building blocks of everything in your body. If you make chocolate chip cookies without sugar, they're probably not going to turn out so good. Your body is the same way. If you don't have the proper nutrients to rebuild cells in your body will eventually break down. Every second of every day, your body is rebuilding itself. Cells are dying and new ones are being made. And in order to make those new cells, you need nutrition. Every 7 years, almost every cell in your body has been rejuvenated and turned over. Just imagine what you could be in 7 years from now if you ate a healthy diet, or if you decided to ditch this and start eating fast food and convenient food items that are lacking in nutrients. Personally, I would choose option A. In our office, we help people gain and maintain their health using nutrients. It can be really overwhelming going to the health food store, and there are so many different options for so many different things, and before you know it, you've spent $300 on supplements that you're not even sure whether or not you need. Through muscle testing, I am able to use your body's energy to determine what nutrients are best for it at that specific time. So how does this work? If you were to hold up your arm and I was to push on your arm would be strong. But if I was to touch a place of your body that was having trouble, maybe it just didn't have the nutrients to start rebuilding proper cells for that specific organ or body part, I put my hand on it and then I pressed on your arm would go weak because your body would take the energy that was holding your arm up and place it into whatever organ it is that may be lacking in some kind of nutrient. If I then give the body a nutrient, if I place a nutrient on your body and your body says, hey, that is something that I could really use, and then I push on your arm while pushing on that organ, your arm is going to stay strong if it's the right nutrient that you are needing. At Care Me Wellness, we spend a great deal of time getting to know our clients. We use things like muscle testing, system surveys, and other tests that really help us hone in on the different nutrients that your body needs to be able to gain or maintain health. Now that you're finished with the detox, it's time to start rebuilding with nutrients. Sign up for a complimentary nutrition consult today at caremeawellness.com.